Tim Kenya jotugo makwango yiedhi aora dhi nyime gi timo ikruok margi motelne tuke mag pinje mangima mibiro bagi dwe manyien. Tim Kenya nobedo joloch e piem mag pinje Afrika mane obagi aora ma Sagana dwe mar 7 higani, piem mane oywayo pinje 11. Kenya biro yuoro e tuke mag pinje mangima kuom thuolo mokwongo kating' ni mbelegi. Kata kamano jotugo kachiel gi coaches maggi lero ni ikruok margi osebedo makare kendo gin gi geno ni gibiro timo makare e piem mag pinje mangima mibiro bagi e boma ma New Queen piny mar Argentina e kind tarik 1 nyaka 11.
Huu ni mto ambao wanaojua vizuri, wamefanya mazoezi hapa mara kwa mara. Na katika video ambayo tumeziangalia za huko Argentina ni kwamba hiyo mito haiwezi kushinda hii mito yetu. Mto wetu hapa Sagana, Kenya ni mto ambao umepewa kiwango cha 4, yani class 4, kulingana na vile viwango ambavyo vyatakana, na hicho ni kiwango ambacho kinafuzu.
We are ready. We have been training every day with my team. They are ready to do it. We are expecting we are going to bring back some medals because there is no big difference between the river we are training in and the river we are going to hold the championship. The only slight difference is that it's a bit cold there. The water is around maybe 10 degrees cold.
Sisi ndo tulikuwa washindi wa the African Championship. Na saizi tunaenda Argentina and we are ready for Argentina. Tusha master currents, everything's our normal training river. Saizi niko na 10 years kwa maji. Na changamoto tunapitia kama msichana ni kwamba like wanasema hatuna nguvu kama wanaume. Lakini